Hello again, sixth grade teachers. Hope everything's going well for you. Today we got a really cool simulation lab. This one is about the water cycle, so pretty important. I think you'll like it, students will like it. Let's go ahead and jump in. This is for activity 17. And this one is definitely rewarding at the end to summarize the whole thing. Visual. I really like this one, so make sure that you're implementing it in some capacity in your class, either as group work, doing it up on the board. I think there's really great ways to implement this, even if you just assign it to students to work on and answer the questions. I think that they'll get a lot out of it. So let's open this up. Should know load time, my computer while recording, very slow. This is kind of similar to some of the simulations back in our body systems one, where you drag and drop, teaches you some learnings, and then there's a video at the end. It is in the kind of simulation platform where when it does the video, you can pause and play. So I do like this aspect of it. So no complaints about this simulation. Introductory, start, and this has really good sound effects too to help kids like kind of connect different things. But let's see how fast I can connect these up. And I'll see, I'm already messing things up. We'll just keep going. So you can, of course, students can kind of learn about things as they're doing it, but then it really finalizes all the learnings. You finish, I'll play the little, you hit continue. And then this is the part that I really like, how it summarizes everything for them. It goes at a pretty good pace, so it's not too fast. Sound effects going with it, so students can kind of like, okay, it's evaporation. It kind of has that steam sound, and then it goes over convection. So that's sort of that scaffolding. Maybe you didn't retouch on convection. Well, here you go. Students trying to get some notes down, they can hit pause, play. So I really like this. This is a good lab. However you want to implement it, possibly in groups where they're kind of putting together a little map on a poster board where they have to kind of put together their own water cycle map. I think that would be a useful way to finalize their learning on that. Well, okay, I think that was a pretty straightforward lab. Here's the student guide to that, which might be useful to have them have while they're completing it. I do like these little companion worksheets to really help the students focus in on what they're learning. Again, sorry for the load time. Here we go. It gives them some questions to answer, and then how to use the exploration. And then the data point, you might have to fill them in on what they're supposed to be writing down. This one says, for what you observe, kind of vague. So it might give them a bit more clarity on what they should be adding in that space there. All right, before I keep rambling, we'll keep this one short. And that is, I already forgot what activity it was. Let's see, take a look. That was activity 17. We are flying through the year. So I hope you guys find this video useful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.